G'day sawdust makers. Oh, don't chuck that out. She goes, what are you going to do with it? I don't know. I'll think of something. And I did. And the time is now. I'll take you back to the beginning. I'll give you my thought process. This is pretty ridiculous. I like reclaiming things. I like upcycling things. I hate waste. It's a stupid idea. But I'm definitely going to have a go. And it's Halloween. I've only purchased one thing specifically for this project, which is this solar light. Cost me about $2. I've got 2 daughters. They love playing dolls. Our generation dolls. They're a bit like, I think, all-American dolls. Yeah, my kids have a whole bunch of them. They've got all the toys and all the other crap that goes with them. They love them. A few months ago, my youngest daughter learnt a very valuable lesson about not putting her toys away properly when we had just rescued a new dog. I'd like you to meet Sydney. Say hi, Sydney. Hello, Sydney. Anyway, we came home one night to that, and there was mess everywhere, a very guilty looking dog, and a very upset child. Now, Sydney's been replaced, everything's okay, but my wife was going to chuck it out. Oh, don't chuck that out. She goes, what are you going to do with it? Basically going to make this look creepy. I'm going to make it look horrible. I'm going to put a solar light in it somehow, and then I'm going to try and get it high up in a tree, and then see if we end up with this glowing, creepy likeness hanging from a tree somewhere. Not like hanging, but you know what I mean, just kind of just there. I'm very sorry, Sydney. It's got basically the body section I can get into. In the guts here, put the solar light, so just there'll be this glowing from the guts here. Oh, got something in your eye. Yeah, it's my thumb. I might punch its eyes out. God, I feel like a psychopath. I might punch its eyes out and find a way to get the light in the head, so then just its eye holes would glow, which would be pretty messed up. I have to admit, now that I'm actually doing this and kind of describing it and putting it on camera, I feel like a bit of a psychopath. But please, this is plastic. It's not real. Just having a bit of horror Halloween fun. Sorry, Sydney. Rest in peace. I think we're off to a good start. Now, I'm making it up as I go along. I got its eyes out, which was actually a lot more difficult than what I thought it would be. But the end result is 2 big black cavities, so that's pretty creepy. What I'm going to try and do, have it go kind of that way with the solar panel at the bottom, and you're thinking, well, that doesn't make sense. But I'm going to try and get it to hang upside down. It's really not a good example, but that's what I'm aiming for right now. I mean, if I'm going to go to the trouble, I might as well make sure that the solar light will get as much sun as possible, so anyway, let's keep going. Made enough mess. Gotta keep going. Fix the solar light. I've even super glued some stuffing around here. Punched his eyes in. A little bit of thick wire. I've made a hook here. I've made a big hook here, and I'm going to get some really strong fishing line what is it, 80 pound fishing line, and then I'll put these two together, and then it's a matter of throwing it up in the tree, hoping it sticks, hoping I don't have to do it 100 times. I mean, even if it doesn't glow, but it lights up just a little bit, and I get it up in the tree, I'm going to call that a win. So when people see it, they'll be like, am I actually seeing that, or am I just imagining? You stay there. Looks pretty horrific, really. Sorry, Sydney. Now, all I've got to do is attach my hooks and my fishing line, try and get it up in the tree. Here she is. Just got to get it up there. Wish me luck. So you can see her hanging behind me, up in the trees. I'm in my lounge room at the moment, so hopefully it works. Hopefully it's a little bit creepy and lights up. Happy Halloween. That looks alright. Can't tell it's a creepy doll, but I mean, a random glowing light in a tree isn't exactly the coolest thing to just see randomly.